Hi, I'm just going to demonstrate briefly how to attach the router to this router table, to my router table design. First of all, I've taken off the base plate of the router, use that to locate the holes, the template to locate the holes. So mark these out accurately and make sure they run parallel from the middle to the front of the unit. Okay, once you drill through there, you'll need slightly longer M4 bolts. These may be too long, you may need to trim them down. So put the coach bolts in, flip it over, put your base plate in and attach it with the bolts you've just drilled through. Okay. Place the threaded bar going through and tighten off. What you need to do is gently tap these as you tighten. I've already done this once, so I don't need to tap these again. But gently tap the head of the bolt and tighten the nut behind. This way you'll get an extra firm fit. And it's easy to attach and take off in the future. And there we go. That's a very solid unit. No problem. Give it a good shake. All good. Alright, thanks for watching.